Sawadika and Sawadee Krap to all of you, our Thailander viewers. So for today is gonna be another Phết Ban Pang reaction video. So this is a recent one. It was just uploaded, let me see, 1 day ago. So I'm not gonna make this introduction longer, and let's watch the video.
กับผลงานซิงเกิลผลงานเพลงนี้ครับขอบคุณทุกแชร์ทุกเชียร์ล่าสุดหนึ่งมาแรงครับยืนหนึ่งมันเขายืนเมาแม่น้อง
Let's go
ขอบคุณทุกกำลังใจเลยกันแล้วกันนะคะเด้อ
Congratulations to Phết Ban Pang for a beautiful
ยืนเมาก็คงเป็นน้องเมื่ออายผูกแขน
music video
น้องได้ยืนให้ห้องน้ำตาพังยา
Okay, so on this music video that just recently released by I was very emotional, and I just really love the music video because I believe that all of us guys could relate to that situation, and all of us has a very soft spot of our hearts when it comes to that situation. So it's very effective.
เสียงเขาอ่านขวานให้หักยืนมันโลดเด้อสุมเจ้ายืนหนึ่งในใจมันเขาน้องได้ยืนเมาบังเขาก่อน
Okay, so I think this is a live performance, that was happened yesterday with and this is the music video you can see at the bottom of this video. And this time the audience in the venue are very lucky, right, that they could hear performing what she sang on the music video. It's so beautiful.
พิเศษผู้สาวด้านหน้าวิธีก่อนก็แล้วกันจ้า
Yay
ฝากอีกหนึ่งผลงานเพลงก็แล้วกันนะคะเด้อ
สดเลยผลงานเพลงนี้ครับมันเลย15 ชั่วโมง
Okay, wait a moment, guys. Before listening to her performance, I think this is another performance of her or event, because she always sings every night, right? So after releasing the music video that I think got millions of views, this is another performance of her, and she's not getting tired of performing, because this is what she wants and this is what she loves to do. So I commend her so much. And by the way, let me take this chance to thank all of you who've watched my reaction video, our reaction video to Ing's music video. Thank you guys for that.
ล้านวิวครับ
หัวใจเสียหลักหัวสักสมวยถือนกแขนคักจนเว้าบ่ออกเมื่ออายมาบอกว่าเลิกกันซาหลาบ่อยู่บุญฮักบ่ฮอดจอดบ่เป็นทางเจ็บปานว่าถือฟ้าผ่าลงข้างซ้ายน้องจมทั้งมน
Wow, her low notes, I can say, is also fantastic. And sorry for this cut again. The video is just 4 minutes and 27 seconds, and I just want to share to you this performance of Ing recently. It's just a day ago uploaded, and as you can see, after resting before because she was sick, now she is again very, very strong to perform again to all the people of Thailand. So I know that the people in Thailand are supportive, which is good.
ไหลหาดใจมันปวดเจ้าว่าน้องแพ้เขาคนไม่ของเขาผู้เขามาโลน
Okay, up until now, guys, I still do not get, or I didn't get any answer from my question before, what happened to Ing hands. But maybe, as I can see in here, this is inborn, right? So she already have it when she was born. Yeah. So anyway, this is lucky, I think.
ขอบคุณเด้อจ้าที่ยังอุตส่าห์จะส่งขอ
Father Joe is always there to support her.
หน้าห้านห้องซ้อมคนนะครับยืนหนึ่ง
แม่นเขายืนเมากับคงแม่นนอนเมื่ออายผูกแขนกินดอง
Yes, and one more thing, guys. Whenever she's performing, you can see her outfit is so beautiful, so colorful, and not just that, even the stage is very, capturing, eye capturing, because of the color that you could see, and plus the background music that you could hear as well. Sorry for too much cut.
ยืนให้ห้องน้ำตาพังยาว
There's so many cat, so many cut, rather say.
ซุ่มเจ้ายืนหนึ่งในใจแม่นเขาน้องได้ยืนเมาบังเขากอดอาย
Wow, in this part of her performance, you can really hear and feel, the emotion that she has and she wanted to share to all of us. I'm very honest in here, guys. I do not know the meaning of the song. I do not know the lyrics. I do not know it in English, but I just can feel how heavy it is and the emotion that she is sharing whenever she's singing. So that's the only basis that I have when reacting to Ong Ing. But anyway, I can appreciate her talent. She is young and she's a dreamer. So that's why you call her heroine of Thailand.
ถอยออกมาหักเจ้าของเด้อค่ะเด้อถอยออกมาดูแลหัวใจเจ้าของดีกว่าเนาะค่ะเนาะ
What does it
หักเจ้า
mean?
ของหลายๆเด้อจ้า
คนโสดไม่มี
One more thing is that I like her beautiful smile all the time, and she's very pretty in here. Yeah.
คู่ชูมือแล้วส่งเสียงเลย ยืนหนึ่งแม่นเขายืนเมาแม่นไอยืนหนึ่งแม่นเขายืนเมาแม่น
Wow, so many people again. Oh my
เพล
goodness.
งพอเพลงลูกฝากไว้นำห้องเซ็กปีไหมพี่น้องครับ
ซอยกันลองเด้อจ้าเด้อ
This is really so fantastic, right, guys? You can see so many people and she's performing. Absolutely
แม่น
amazing.
น้องเมื่อ
กินดองยืนให้ห้องเอ้า
น้ำตาพังยาวเสียงเขาอ้อนวอนให้หักยึดมันโลดเด้อซุ่มเจ้ายืนหนึ่งในใจแม่นเขา
And it is very important when you're singing to show the emotion on your face so that it would be very effective.
น้องได้ยืนเมาบังเขากอดอายยืนหนึ่งในใจแม่นเขาน้องได้ยืนเมา
Ooh, that is so cool.
เขากอดอาย
The style. It's very visible. Now look at the stage.
ขอบพระคุณสำหรับเสียงปรบมือนะคะ
Well, that's it for that. Okay, let's like the video. And yes, before I end this reaction video, thank you very much to the owner of this. And congratulations once again to Ong Ing, Phết Ban Phang, for a very successful release of her music video. Yeah. I'm gonna go to our channel here. And this is the video, guys. You can see. Thank you very much to all of you who've watched our video reaction here. You guys so amazing. Yeah, there you go. Thank you very much to all of you. Yes. Okay, well, I guess that's it for my reaction video today, guys. Thank you so much to all of you. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time we have new uploads or videos. See you all next time. Kapun ka, kapun crap to all of you. Bye.